morning students. Today we will discuss Lemmy's theorem. What is Lemmy's theorem? If three coplanar forces acting at a point are in equilibrium, then each force is proportional to the sine of the angle between the other two forces. That is, if we have three forces as P, Q and R, and if alpha is angle between Q and R, beta is angle between P and R, and gamma is angle between P and Q, then P over sine alpha equal to Q over sine beta equal to R over sine gamma. Let us prove this. For this, let three coplanar forces be P, Q and R acting at the point O along the line OL, OM and ON respectively be in equilibrium. Now draw a triangle ABC whose sides BC, CA and AB are respectively parallel to the direction of forces P, Q and R. Then by converse of triangle law of forces, P over BC equal to Q over CA equal to R over AB. This is equation number 1. Now let angle MON is equal to alpha. Angle NOL is equal to beta and angle LOM equal to gamma. Now from triangle ABC, by sine formula we have BC over sine pi minus alpha equal to CA over sine pi minus beta equal to AB over sine pi minus gamma. Or it can be written as BC over sine alpha equal to CA over sine beta equal to AB over sine gamma. This is equation number 2. Now by 1 and 2 we get P over sine alpha equal to Q over sine beta equal to R over sine gamma. This is the theorem. Now we prove converse of Lemmy's theorem. Converse of Lemmy's theorem क्या है? If three coplanar forces acting at a point be such that each is proportional to the sine of the angle between the direction of the other two, then forces are in equilibrium. फिगर हम सेम लेके चलेंगे जो हमने लेमीज थ्योरम में ली थी, यही सेम फिगर रहेगी हमारी, यही सेम ट्रायंगल रहेगी. Then we have given P over sine alpha equal to Q over sine beta equal to R over sine gamma. Or we can write it as P over sine pi minus alpha equal to Q over sine pi minus beta equal to R over sine pi minus gamma. Or we can say that P over sine A equal to Q over sine B equal to R over sine gamma, sine C. Because angle A is pi minus alpha, angle B is pi minus beta and angle C is pi minus gamma. Also by sine formula we have BC over sine A equal to CA over sine B equal to AB over sine C. Then by 1 and 2 we have P over BC equal to Q over CA equal to R over AB. This implies that sides of triangle ABC represent on same scale the forces P, Q and R in magnitude and direction. Therefore, by triangle law of forces, the forces P, Q are in equilibrium. Now we discuss some examples on Lemmy's theorem. First example is three coplanar forces acting on a particle are in equilibrium. The angle between the first and second is 60 degree and the angle between second and the third force is 150 degree. Then find the ratio of magnitude of the forces. For this, let us take three forces P, Q, R acting at a point O. Now angle between P and Q is given to be 60 and angle between Q and R is given to be 150. Therefore angle between P and R is 150 because total is 360. 360 minus 60 plus 150. This is equal to 150. Now applying Lemmy's theorem we have P over sine 150. Then this is equal to Q over sine 150 equal to sine R over sine 60 degree. Now putting the values of sine 150 and sine 60 we get this. P over 1 equal to Q over 1 equal to R over 3. Hence the required ratio is 1:1:1 under root 3. Now we give second example. Three forces P, Q, R acting at a point O are in equilibrium and the angle between P and Q is double the angle between P and R. मीन्स क्या दे रखा है, जो P और Q के बीच का एंगल है वो P और R के बीच का जो एंगल है उससे डबल है. देन हमें क्या शो करना है, R स्क्वायर इक्वल टू Q इंटू Q माइनस P. फॉर दिस लेट अस take alpha be the angle between P and R. Then angle between P and Q is 2 alpha and angle between R and Q is 360 minus alpha plus 2 alpha, that is 360 minus 3 alpha. Now applying Lemmy's theorem, we have Q over sin alpha, R over sin 2 alpha equal to P over sin 360 minus 3 alpha. This is equal to Q over sin alpha which is equal to R over sin 2 alpha which is equal to P over minus sin 3 alpha because this is fourth quadrant और fourth quadrant में हमारा साइन नेगेटिव होता है, therefore negative sign is here. This is equal to Q over sin alpha which is equal to, अब हम sin 2 alpha का फॉर्मूला लगा देंगे. This is equal to R over 2 sin alpha cos alpha equal to P, इधर हम लगाएंगे sin 3 alpha का फॉर्मूला. Then solving this, sin alpha cancel हो जाएगा throughout. This implies Q over 1 equal to R over 2 cos alpha is equal to P over 4 sin square alpha minus 3. Now taking first two member, we get cos alpha is equal to R by 2Q. Now taking first and third member, we have Q equal to P over 4 sin square alpha minus 3. Now we can write sin square alpha as 1 minus cos square alpha. Now put this value of cos alpha in this, we get this one. P over Q equal to 1 minus R square by Q square, and solving this we get R square equal to Q square minus PQ. This implies R square equal to Q into Q minus P. Hence the result. Now we give example number 3. If AB and AC are two strings 9 meter and 12 meter long attached to two pegs B and C at a horizontal distance 15 meter apart, means हमें दो पैग गिवन है B and C जो 15 मीटर की दूरी पे है और हमने A पॉइंट से उनके ऊपर दो स्ट्रिंग अटैच की है, एक 9 मीटर लॉन्ग है और दूसरी हमारे पास 12 मीटर लॉन्ग है. Then find the tension in the strings when a weight of 10 kg is suspended from A. अब हमें टेंशंस फाइंड आउट करनी है. जो स्ट्रिंग में टेंशंस है हमारी T1 एंड T2 वो क्या होगी जब हम एक वेट सस्पेंड करते हैं A से. Let's solve this. Let T1 and T2 be the tension in these strings and a weight of 10 kg is suspended from A. Now we have AB is equal to 9 meter, AC is equal to 12 meter, BC equal to 15 meter. Since 15 square equal to 9 square plus 12 square, therefore BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. This is Pythagoras theorem and this is Pythagoras theorem. Therefore angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. Now let angle CAD. अब हम CAD एंगल को सपोज कर लेते हैं थीटा. अगर एंगल CAD थीटा है तो हमारा DAB क्या हो जाएगा 90 माइनस थीटा because this whole angle is 90. If this is theta then this is 90 minus theta. Now we apply Lemmy's theorem on forces T1, T2 and W because these forces are in equilibrium. Now we have T1 over sin 180 minus theta, T2 over sin 90 plus theta, this one, and 10 over sin 90 degree. 10 sin 90 degree. This implies T1 over sin theta equal to T2 over cos theta equal to 10. This implies T1 equal to 10 sin theta and T2 equal to 10 cos theta. Now in triangle BAC, अब हम triangle देखिए BAC. In triangle BAC angle ABC is equal to theta. If angle ABC theta है, then by trigonometry formulas we have sin theta equal to 12 by 15 and cos theta equal to 9 by 15. Then putting these value in T1 and T2 we get T1 equal to 8 kg and T2 equal to 6 kg. This is the required answer. Now we give next example. Find the greatest weight which can be supported by two light strings making angle 60 and 45 degree with the vertical, it being known that either string will break under the tension of W kg weight. मीन्स हमें क्या निकालना है, वेट फाइंड आउट करना है, ग्रेटेस्ट वेट विच कैन बी सपोर्टेड, जो सपोर्ट करेगा इन स्ट्रिंग्स को, वेट फाइंड आउट करना है। और जो ये स्ट्रिंग्स है वो हमारी एंगल बना रही है 45 एंड 60 डिग्री विद वर्टिकल। और हमें दे रखा है कि हमारी जो टेंशन है अगर वो W के इक्वल हो जाती है तो हमारी स्ट्रिंग ब्रेक हो जाएगी, दोनों में से कोई भी स्ट्रिंग ब्रेक हो जाएगी अगर हमारी टेंशन किसके इक्वल है, W के इक्वल। लेट्स सॉल्व दिस। फॉर दिस लेट P be the greatest weight supported by two strings OA and OB. Then and T1 T2 be the tensions along these strings OA and OB respectively. Since T1 T2 and P acting at a point O and are in equilibrium, therefore by Lemmy's theorem T1 over sine 135 degree equal to T2 over sine 120 degree equal to P over sine 105 degree. Or we can write it T1 over sine 45 equal to T2 over sine 60 equal to P over sine 75 degree. Now taking first two member we get, putting the values of sine 45 and sine 60, we get T2 equal to this one. From this it is clear that T2 is greater than T1. Therefore the strings OB having tension T2 breaks because T2 में tension ज़्यादा है T1 से. Therefore T2 breaks. Then T2 is equal to W. Therefore putting the value of T2 equal to W in equation number 1, we get W over sin 60 equal to P over sin 75 डिग्री। यहाँ से हमारे पास P की वैल्यू आ गई sin 75 over sin 60 into W। अब sin 75 की वैल्यू हमें पता है ये होती है। अगर आपको कैलकुलेट नहीं करनी आती है तो आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो, sin 75 को लिख सकते हो sin 45 प्लस 30 डिग्री और sin A प्लस B का फॉर्मूला लगाना है, फिर कैलकुलेट करके आपके पास sin 75 की ये वैल्यू आ जाएगी। Therefore P is equal to this one. This is the required answer. Now we give next example. A uniform lamina in the form of a rhombus, one of whose angle is 120 degree, is supported by two forces P, Q applied at center in the direction of diagonals so that one side is horizontal. Show that if P is greater than Q, then P square is equal to 3Q square. Means हमें एक लेमिना गिवन है रोम्बस की फॉर्म में और उस रोम्बस का एक एंगल हमें दे रखा 120 डिग्री। उसके बाद दो फोर्सेस अप्लाई किए गए हैं P एंड Q। कहाँ पे? सेंटर पे। किसके सेंटर पे? जो ये डायगोनल है हमारे पास AC और BD के डायगोनल जहाँ बाइसेक्ट करते हैं वहां पे हमारे फोर्सेस अप्लाई किए गए हैं P एंड Q और गिवन है P is greater than Q, then we have to show that P square equal to 3Q square. For this, let ABCD be the rhombus and W be its weight which acts vertically downward. और W हमने weight मान लिया जो यहाँ पे हमारा एक्ट कर रहा है। कौन से पॉइंट पे एक्ट कर रहा है? जो हमारा बाइसेक्टिंग पॉइंट है AC और BD का। Now angle BAD is equal to 120 degree. Therefore this angle is 60. This angle is 60. And this angle is 60, this is 30 because this is force P, this is force Q and angle force P is greater than Q and resultant always acts near the greater force. Therefore this angle is 30 and this is 60. Now the forces P, Q and W acting at O and are in equilibrium. Therefore by Lemmy's theorem, Lemmy's theorem से क्या हो जाएगा? P over ये एंगल क्या हो जाएगा? Sin 180 minus 60, then this is equal to Q over sin 180 minus 30 equal to W over sin 90. This is P over sin 60 equal to Q over sin 30 equal to W over 1. Now putting the values of sin 60, sin 30 we get this one. P over root 3 equal to Q over 1. This implies P equal to root 3Q. This implies P square equal to 3Q square. This is the required result. Thank you.